Hello, my name's Alex Taousakis. I am an attorney at Birch, Stewart, Kolasch Birch. Today I'll be speaking about artificial intelligence and its applications in IP. Artificial intelligence, which is defined as the ability of computers to perform intelligent human tasks, is an ever-growing field of technology that is finding its way into all aspects of our lives. Given the nature of technological progress, this definition is constantly evolving. For example, performing a mathematical calculation was once considered AI, but is now a known trait of computer systems. Thus, as AI becomes more advanced and is able to perform more intelligent tasks, there is an increased threshold for what is considered AI. A major subset of AI is machine learning, which involves training computers to perform tasks based on examples rather than relying on human programming. Machine learning is seen as a powerful new tool that can forego the need for a substantial workforce to write and maintain computer programs requiring millions of lines of code. A subset of machine learning is deep learning, a common form of which utilizes artificial neural networks having electrical connections that mimic neural connections of the human brain. This allows computers to continuously learn, thereby making more connections to improve upon its knowledge base. For example, DeepMind, a Google subsidiary, created the program dubbed AlfaGo, which became the first program to beat a human professional player in the complicated game of Go. It achieved this milestone by watching thousands of hours of games and playing against itself thousands of times over. This technology is also being used in speech recognition in some of our smartphones, which utilizes deep learning to continuously improve its recognition of spoken words based on feedback. AI may prove to be helpful in the areas of legal research and patent searching through the use of natural language processing. This allows computers to understand, interpret, and manipulate human language and is a form of AI that is being used together with machine learning to improve all aspects of electronic documentation. For instance, optical character recognition, OCR, is a widely used technology used for identifying characters in a document. AI has made OCR better by allowing improved recognition of text in documents and in images for more accurate data retrieval, and search strings that permit the use of natural language to yield more accurate results. Traditionally, patent valuation is a data-driven process which requires business, technical, and legal documentation and could be implemented in a number of methods. But this can be a time-consuming and expensive process and is thus not widely used. Automated methods for patent valuation may change this outlook by providing a quick valuation estimation based on a patent citation count, how often it is cited in publications, and other patent-related attributes. This data may also lead to licensing leads and identifying innovation trends. It is important to be mindful that there are limitations associated with the technology, and thus automated valuation may not be as reliable as traditional methods. The use of automated technologies in the legal practice is becoming widespread, and currently available programs boast their ability to streamline operations by providing automated billing, docketing, form generation, and e-discovery. Others generate specifications based on a provided claim set. They analyze claims for unseen basis issues, term consistency, support in the specification, and compare elements in the specification with those in the drawings. Sense detection, which is the ability to read the context of a sentence, is currently limited to the accuracy of around 65 to 75%. This is important for generating specifications and claims, summarizing legal documents, and searching. However, the cost benefits of using these programs remains to be seen, as precision and reliability may not be up to par with the standards at many law offices. As the technology improves, it has the potential to save time, to provide substantial cost savings, and to improve the quality of the work generated. Thus, adoption will become imperative in order to remain competitive and to provide more value-added services to clients. However, it may also be required in order to maintain the standards of professional responsibility required of all attorneys. Rule 1.1 of the Virginia Rules of Professional Conduct requires that a lawyer shall provide competent representation to a client. Competent representation requires the legal knowledge, skill, thoroughness, and preparation reasonably necessary for the representation. One thought is whether using AI technology will eventually become a standard of practice, such that its use is required to provide the requisite reasonable necessary legal knowledge, skill, thoroughness, and preparation. Finally, every program must be evaluated for its compliance with Rule 1.6b6, which states that lawyers must ensure that any outside agency used in the course of their representation, including statistical, bookkeeping, accounting, data processing, printing, or other similar office management purposes, appropriately safeguards confidential client information. This may include password encryption at the law office and possible removal of all client information from the agency side. Thus, AI tools must be used with care and its over-reliance should be avoided. This author believes that the use of AI technology will become mainstream and that law firms should begin to evaluate how the current available technology can fit into their operations. Thank you for joining me, and please visit bskb.com for more upcoming discussions on interesting cases and other commentary on intellectual property.